Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to insert a plus or minus symbol, the classic plus or minus that's so useful in math, science, and engineering in a Google Sheets document but weren't quite sure how to do it, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know two super easy methods to add the plus or minus symbol right into your spreadsheets, whether you're putting together data sets, lab results, or anything else. Let's dive in and make your sheets a little more powerful and a lot more professional. Alright, let's get started with the first method. It's a keyboard shortcut, which I personally love because once you know it, it's lightning fast. First, click to select the cell where you want your plus or minus symbol to appear. Make sure you're actually inside the cell, double-click if you need to so the blinking cursor is visible right where you want the symbol. Now here's the trick. On your keyboard, you're going to hold down the Alt key and type 241 on the numeric keypad. So Alt plus 241. Don't worry if it's a little awkward at first, numpads can be finicky, and sometimes laptops make this a bit tricky if you don't have a dedicated number pad. If that's the case, you might need to enable your numlock or use an alternative method, which I'll cover next. But for most Windows computers with a full-size keyboard, pressing Alt and 241 at the same time pops that plus or minus symbol right into your cell. This shortcut works in a lot of programs, not just Sheets, so it's a handy one to remember for your digital toolkit. Now, if the Alt code method doesn't work on your setup, or if you're on a device without a numpad, don't worry, there's another really easy way to do this, built right into Windows. Here's what you do: press the Windows key and the period key at the same time, that's Windows plus, dot. Almost instantly, a little emoji and symbol picker will pop up on your screen. This is such a neat feature, especially if you're typing special characters pretty frequently. When the window appears, look for the Symbols tab. You might see a few icons at the top or bottom. Just hover until you find the one that opens the section with extra symbols. Once you're there, scroll through until you spot the plus or minus symbol. Sometimes it's under general punctuation or grouped with other math symbols. Click on it and it'll be inserted right into your selected cell in Google Sheets. It's almost like giving your spreadsheet a little upgrade. A quick side note, if you can't find the plus or minus symbol right away, don't rush. These symbol pickers can be a bit of a scroll and it might take a few moments to spot it among all the options. Also, if you use this method often, you might find that Windows remembers your frequently used symbols, making it even quicker next time. So whether you prefer the keyboard shortcut or the built-in symbol picker, you now have two great ways to insert the plus or minus symbol in Google Sheets right from your web browser. Give both of these methods a try and see which one works best for your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or if you run into any issues, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick, practical tips to level up your productivity in Google Sheets and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.